I just woke up. What's up, YouTube? So today, you know what we're doing. We're in the auction. IAI, if you guys are interested. So today we're gonna try and get a truck. Should be coming up soon. We're like 10 quarters behind. Yeah, if this is your first time watching, you know, subscribe. You guys can probably see how this website works. You just fucking pay the fee and then you bid right here. Here it is. Oh wait, no. Oh.
Who are you talking to?
Shut up. What the fuck? Yes! Alright, so in the description it said that it runs and drives. I saw the video. Honestly, I couldn't even hear the engine running. Maybe it was just bad quality.
Alright, so what's up guys? Right now we're on our way to pick up the truck. It's a 2-hour drive. Really excited. I'm here with my cousin Chewy.
What's up, bro?
He's singing for you ladies out there. Anyways, yeah, so we're on our way. We'll keep you guys updated and hopefully everything turns out fine, you know, fingers crossed. Alright guys, so we're 5 minutes away. We finally made it to Eugene, Oregon. Fucking long ass drive, 2 hours, 2.5. Fucking excited, a little nervous too. But once I pick up the camera again, or once we pick up the camera again, we'll probably be at the place. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're here.
A la verga el pozo.
Alright guys, so just picked up the title. We still have to go and pick up the actual truck. I guess to have a different location. It's like, I think 15 minutes away from here. So here we go, title, everything. 2002 Chevy pickup truck, everything. Sheesh. Oh. Okay, so here we are. Just arrived. I have no idea where the fuck. Alright guys, so we officially made it to the site. I gave the forklift operator my paperwork and he should be out here in a couple minutes with the vehicle. If you guys have a TSX and want DIY tutorials and shit, you know, fucking subscribe. Whatever.
No problem, man.
Hey, comment down below what type of rims I should get. I've been looking up at rims and stuff, but I'm not too sure what to get. But check out these trucks over here, god damn. I don't know if he survived that, god damn. Is that compa Chuy? El thumbnail?
What's up, bro?
Oh, bro, it's right there, it's right there. Ahí está, güey, ahí está, güey.
Sheesh. Damn. Traes una rama de recuerdo.
Alright guys, so this is it. This is the new truck right here, the new project.
Damn, bro.
Aquí están las llaves. No, a ver si prende. Pretty good. A verga, güey. The Hemi motor.
Sheesh. Oh.
Cold air intake. That's like 600 horsepower. Alright, so fingers crossed. I hope this bitch starts up. I'm gonna just go ahead and check the oil. Hopefully we have oil in the engine. Check it out, check it out. We got oil, that's a good sign. It's above the max. So I don't know. Motor looks pretty clean. Hopefully truck runs good. It has 270,000 miles. Hey, that ain't a problem. Check the tranny fluid real quick. Well, we got fluid, that's a good thing. Yeah, we're good. That's tranny fluid. I know you gotta check it when it's hot, but I mean, I just want to see if it has fluid or not. Alright, check the oil cap real quick. Make sure there's no sludge in this bitch. Clean. Put that shit back. Coolant reservoir. Fuck. Ooh, we're low on coolant. No coolant. Put some water in it, don't worry. Probably come back and put some water in it. Right now I just want to see if it starts. Looks like it is drivable. We got hay, got pushed back a little bit. This is hitting against the cooler intake. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, let me just bring my car over here and see what's up. Fingers crossed. Wish us luck. See how it goes. Shoo! Full tank too. Okay. No check engine lights, no nothing. See, the radio works. Pero aquí andamos al 100.
Aquí está el cristal.
Oh yeah, just the back window's broken. We got floor mats. ¿Qué es esto, güey? No sé nada.
Mira, ya trae tirón.
Alright, this is all the damage. Let's address the damage real quick. Fender right here got bent in a little bit. The hood, obviously headlights, front bumper. And this hood looks, or this fender looks good. But yeah, I got plans for this truck, guys. I don't want to spill the beans. I don't want to say too much. But you know, if you guys fuck with the truck, fuck with the car, just subscribe. You know, we got more videos coming. Nomás si le falta el coolant. Alright, so we got a low coolant light. So right now we're gonna run to AutoZone and fill up the coolant reservoir. Alright, and then from there we're just gonna go head home. Hopefully it makes it home. It's a 2-hour drive. Bro, this is unbelievable right now. Like, I don't believe it. 270,000 miles, bro, but this shit's fucking smooth. Not overheating or anything. Oil pressure's good. Alright, so we got some bad news. It is overheating a little bit. We're like 2 minutes away from the AutoZone, so hopefully it's just the low coolant. I'm crossing my fingers right now, bro. We got like a 2-hour drive. I think we found the issue. The reservoir tank is cracked from over here, so it's leaking coolant from over here. We're right here at AutoZone right now. We're gonna go ahead. Hopefully they have one. We're just gonna go ahead and place it right here in the parking lot, fill it up with coolant. Praying to God that fixes the issue. So I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, no quemo cook.
That's what I got.
What's up, boys?
No picture, no nothing, huh?
No, usually that means it's in the fuel tank.
So they're correct. There's two.
Alright, so here we are. We found the reservoir tank. I'm gonna just go ahead and swap this out. Hopefully they don't say shit. You guys can see it's cracked from right here. Good thing we were able to find the new one. Connector. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the new reservoir tank in, filled it up with coolant. We've got to start it up and hopefully the temperature starts going down. Alright, so topped it off, checked the coolant temperature, looks to be good. I went down more. So we're going to continue driving and hopefully we don't have any more issues. Alright, so we've been driving for about 10-15 minutes and so far everything looks good. And it's not overheating or anything. Alright guys, so we made it back to Portland. I'm like 5 minutes away from my house. Truck made it. I mean, we're here. Alright, so right when I get home, I'm get my parents' reaction. I haven't told anyone besides my cousin and my little brother, but he don't really like understand yet. But yeah, I'm gonna get the reaction and see what they say. My dad's outside right now. I'm gonna get his reaction, see what's up. We just made it home. He's right there working on the truck. ¿Te gusta? ¿Te gusta? ¿La compré?
¿Cómo que la compraste?
Yeah.
¿Dónde?
En la acción.
¿Cuánto?
2,600.
La cara.
Más de enfrente está chocada. Yes, sir.
Mira. Oh, qué bravo.
Ah, nomás ese vidrio le arreglo. Y nomás lo de enfrente está chocado.
4x4?
Nah.
For now.
V8.
This shit clean.
Yes, sir. ¿Y eso qué tiene?
Hell no, that shit gonna kill mine. That shit is big, hell, that shit already big up there. ¿Está la 10?
De 8, sí.
Ajá.
Nomás se estaba calentando porque este se quebró y lo fui a agarrar ahorita.
¿Y se calentó?
Sí, porque estaba quebrado.
What was broken?
This shit was broken, I had to get a new one.
Oh, you went both?
Yeah.
How much, like 30 bucks?
First mod, like 60. Huh?
Look at that. Can I drive it? Yo.
Go ahead, bro. Burn out.
Where the fuck is that?
What do you think, bro?
You get a refund?
The seat don't go back, huh?
You know?
It does. You just gotta find it. I couldn't find it either. En la opción.
¿Dónde?
En la opción.
¿Qué vas a hacer?
En la mañana que está en la computadora.
¿En cuánto te salió?
2,600.
¿Eh?
2,600.
¿Cuánto?
2,000.
Ah, ay, cabrón.
2002. No van a cambiar el motor. Pero está bien el motor, creo que no sé si lo cambiaron. Se mira limpio.
¿Y dónde la vas a parquear?
Ahí arriba la empujan del carro.
¿Es estándar?
No, es automática. Alright guys, so this brings me to the end of the video. New fucking truck, made it back home. That approves everything. We all good. What y'all think? What y'all think? Just don't look at the model.
Well, you want to hear the bass?
Bro, this truck came with subs. But yeah guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the short little video, or however long it is. If you guys want to see more updates on the truck, you know, comment down below, like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, you know, you guys have a good one. Until next time, peace out guys.